Hello, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I'm here to introduce you to our swimsuit pattern, Coral. Coral has a lot of options. I'm only here with 2 of the options, but we actually have more options. So please check all the pictures available on our store so you get to know all of them. But let me explain you a little bit more about this pattern. So it has lower parts for the bottom, so you will have a seam on the waist area, and then you have 2 pieces for the top. The 2 pieces for the top has side darts, so it's more comfortable and it fits better on your bust. And then you actually have some options regarding the coverage, because as you can see here on this option, the 2 fronts were a little bit overlapped, and so it's a little bit more discreet. And on this one, the 2 fronts are separated when they connect to the lower parts, so the neckline is a bit open. But then the options that don't end here. You also have different ways you can tie the straps. For instance, here you can see that the strap is only tied on the top here, and you can make them shorter if you want. And you have the open back and of course the center back seam. You can also use like this, so cross them and go with them on your waist, and then of course tie a knot on the front. So you have a lot of options on this one, and it's actually one of our favorites from the store. Of course, the YouTube tutorial on how to sew these versions of Coral are already available on our YouTube channel, and you can download the PDF pattern from our store at bikinidesignclub.com. And that's it for today. Bye guys!